10 tonight, as we've been reporting for weeks, the coronavirus pandemic and Wisconsin's safer at home order have taken a toll on local businesses and workers.
Local 5's Erinn Taylor spoke with experts in the jobs field to get a better idea of what Wisconsinites can expect.
Ready Power Yoga announced last week they won't be reopening after the safer at home order is lifted. That's a fate officials say could await small businesses across the state.
About 35% of the businesses that responded had said that if we're in the same situation for 3 months, they probably will not survive.
The New North survey looked at 2,500 businesses in 63 counties. It was conducted earlier this month, which means those businesses may have already adapted.
Have people been able to figure out a little more about how to get to their customers in more remote ways than they ever have?
But the coronavirus pandemic has led to about 8,800 jobs lost in the state and about $27 million in lost wages.
That does have a trickle-down effect as to how people can regenerate that spending into their local economy.
Local talent management firm, the HS Group, conducted their own survey of 120 area companies.
We know there's been some hard hit sectors like the bars and restaurants, but there are many sectors that are still hiring.
Jobs are available. They're just not in the same fields as jobs lost.
Areas such as manufacturing, construction, transportation, healthcare, insurance, financial services.
Companies like rail transportation are hiring despite the pandemic.
Right now, because of demand, we are looking to hire 250 truck drivers within the state of Wisconsin.
Those larger employers are looking to hire, but for smaller businesses, the clock is ticking.
The sooner we can get businesses reopened in a fashion that they were accustomed to before, the quicker we're going to bounce back.
In Brown County, Erinn Taylor, Local 5 News.
Thanks, Erinn. And responding companies will be again surveyed by New North during the coming months to track the impact of COVID-19.